Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 tips or tricks or hidden features that you may tweak on your Micromax US. So make sure you like this video. Let's begin the video. Alright, so let's start up with some camera tips and tricks. So first thing is you need to go into the settings. As you can see that button down below, just press it and here you will find some options like image properties. By default the sharpness is set to medium and you might want to increase that to high, and also you can see the saturation and hue, which are your personal preferences, but you can play around with it and fine tune as per your taste. This actually makes a lot of difference in the pictures. As you can see here, you can see this is with the default settings and the same picture with my customized settings, and you can see how the difference is side by side. So definitely go ahead and fine tune as per your taste. Also in the video mode there is auto exposure and the autofocus lock, which is really good, which is found in most of the iPhones. Just press and hold and you will see that there is the autofocus and auto exposure lock, which basically lets you focus on one particular subject, and the focus keeps on the same subject no matter what happens in the scene. So as you can see, the focus remains on the earphones no matter what, so you can do some cool things with it. There is a lot of lag and stutter in the UI and the animations, which bothers all of us. Now to get rid of this, you can basically go into the settings, and here you can actually go into the about page, and here tap rapidly on this build number and you can enable the developer options, and here you need to enter the pin as well. So once you do this, you can go ahead and here you will see the developer options, and here you need to disable all the animations. As you can see, just turn all of them off and you will see that the user interface actually becomes pretty smooth. So let's see how this works right now. So as you can see, it feels much smoother and there is no lag, so that's pretty good. Alright, now moving on, there is something called the dura speed in the settings. Now this basically boosts the app that you are actually using or something that is in foreground, so that you get better experience, and it basically restricts those apps that are running in the background. I suggest you to keep it on all the time, and also it is on by default. But if you think the apps are reloading again and again, then you can basically choose some apps that you do not want to close in the background. This way the RAM management can be better in a way. Another really interesting setting or feature that I found in the settings is that there is something called the emergency rescue. Now unfortunately this is not working. I mean, it is not fully functional, but you can give some contacts when there is some emergency. It basically sends out the message to all these contacts, and you can actually configure what the message that you want to send them, and also how many times you want to send them, and you can turn it on. But you need to just tap the power button 3 times and it is supposed to send the message to all those contacts, but it is, as you can see, not working. It is actually dialing the emergency number. So I don't know what it is, but I hope they fix this, and let me know if it works for you guys. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Please give it a like. Please make sure you give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.